Hello everyone. We are Team Roshtech. Myself Charvi and my teammates Deepak and Abhay. So the challenge for this India Runs hackathon was to build an AI platform that the users trust, love and keep coming back to. Our solution is the AI Founder Brain. अब सोचो एक ऐसा AI जो सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस की आंसर्स ना दे बाकी तुम्हें स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड करे whether you want to start a startup, you want to grow your business, earn while studying or plan your career, जो भी है. Our AI, it creates a complete roadmap instead of giving just a simple answer. What makes it even more accessible is that it can communicate in multiple languages, allowing the users to interact naturally in the language that they're most comfortable with. It can speak Hindi, English, Malayalam, Telugu, जो भी है. Starting from the idea validation, market research, analysis, MVP planning, funding readiness, everything to investor pitch preparation. Everything is available in just one platform. So now I will show you a small demo of how we can plan a startup using our AI Founder Brain. Hi Kittu, can you introduce yourself with one sentence and tell me what you can help me with?
I'm Kitu, your flirty assistant who can spill the tea on anything and get things done for you. So, what's on your mind today?
I wanted to ask you, I want to start a tech startup as a college student. So, can you suggest me a startup idea which solves a real problem and explain how it could make money, who the target customers are, and what the first MVP should include?
Ooh, I love that ambition. How about an app that connects college students with peer tutors who've aced the exact classes they're taking? Target customers are stressed students like you, and you could make money by taking a small fee on each session. Your MVP could just be a simple website listing tutors on their subjects. What do you think?